This is Madhu, founder and managing director of Botanic Healthcare group of companies. Botanic Healthcare is a research-driven herbal healthcare company based in India, having global presence. As the world continues to seek natural solutions for healthy living, however, in the modern era, the challenge has not been identifying these natural wonders, but is proving its efficacy through modern lens. This is where Botanic Healthcare stand out ahead of the curve in the marketplace. We are heavily investing in research and innovation, bringing a lot of clinically validated ingredients to the marketplace. Our recent launch has been for GLP-1, which is Confit, made from the corn silk extract, which is a proprietary blend with the US patent. And we have Lutinic, which is made from marigold. Then we have a Melasthesia, which is for sleep disorders. All these have undergone extensive clinical trial, which is, companies can invest in Botanic Healthcare and trust on our ingredients. Apart from these clinical trial and validation, we also advance our technologies through liposomal technology, which we have introduced recently, over 50 ingredients, which is already available in the market. And going forward, what we see in the market trend, the consumers' drive is changing from high dose to low dose. But the efficacy has to be proven with the low dose. So that is exactly Botanic Healthcare investing investment, especially bringing out solid ingredients to marketplace with the right fraction, so that can be available in the market with the low dose with the high efficacy.
My name is Gaurav Soni. I'm the founder and managing director for Botanic Healthcare group of companies. Look, we are global leaders in branded bioactives, and we help brands to innovate. We innovate raw materials, we bring the science behind them, we validate the science, and then we give that innovation to the brand owners globally so they can sell it to the consumers. So we help consumer brands strategically build their portfolio on our back, on our branded ingredients. So Vitafoods this year is all about bringing the science out of natural products. We hold a lot of responsibility as a brand owner, as a raw material, patent owners, the innovators, the people who bring the science. We are a very unique company built on innovation, and the way we built our business, we are hardcore nutraceutical guys, understand the dietary supplement market from the last 20 years, know the science behind the supply chain behind the molecules. We have a global footprint in terms of supply chain because we as a company, there's a lot of responsibility on us as the brand owners and the raw material inventors, because if we do innovation, then you get the products online that you can buy. If as a raw material innovator and inventors, if we stop innovating, then the industry stops. The whole industry moves around raw ingredients. The innovation starts with the raw materials. And I think not just getting the ingredients out or innovating, but sustainably harvesting them from the natural resources, validating your sustainable sourcing practices, bringing them into sustainable manufacturing, then giving the confidence to the large corporates, $1 trillion companies, hey, our business itself, come and work with us, partner with us. That's where you get a sustainable sourcing, manufacturing strategy, so your brand would be sustainable. That's what the corporates are looking for. Hey, if I wanted to work with you, can you invent? And if you can invent, can you sustain the invention? Can you validate the invention? And that's what Botanic is all about. Open to all partners globally.
Yeah, myself, Dr. Shiv. I am the Chief Scientific Officer at Botanic Healthcare. We are very proud to introduce most novel ingredients to Vitafoods Europe. The one portfolio what we have is a liposomal portfolio. We call this as a brand name called Lipso Bio. Lipso Bio is an umbrella brand. We have more than 25 liposomal ingredients, which includes minerals, vitamins, nutraceutical ingredients and herbal extracts. Those have been involved or evolved with a technology called dietary fiber stabilized technology, which is a patented technology where we have done the dietary fiber incorporation to make a more stable liposomes, which is very distinct from any other supplier who is supplying the liposomes. We are a science-backed industry. We are very focused on a science-based ingredients. So currently we are doing 7 clinical studies on nutraceutical ingredients, which is from herbal as well as from nutraceutical portfolio, very specific to human health, energy endurance, sleep health, and blood sugar management and weight management. That is our key focus on the thing. So Botanic Healthcare is always on advanced technologies, and also on the investment side, we never mind to invest, because today the ingredient industry has grown very big with the branded botanicals and branded ingredients which are scientifically proven. So that's where Botanic Healthcare, and we have an R&D center in India which is having more than 50 scientists working on various segments to have a scientifically supported ingredients to the market. Future is very prospectus. As you know, the industry is growing very crazy and lot of new ingredients are coming and new USPs and new molecules. Botanic Healthcare will have a very big edge over any other competitors in the nutraceutical market.
Botanical, I was looking for them. I was looking for the product what they are selling, and a few years ago also in Vitafoods I found them. We are doing together, we are supplying raw materials for the end product producer in the Baltic region. Botanical Healthcare is a good partner because they have a huge portfolio of the product, what my customers are expecting. Very good knowledge of what they are doing, very high quality products.
Botanic Healthcare is a supplier, so they are a manufacturer, so they manufacture the ingredients that we help them distribute. And we show up as a complementary distribution to access customers that they cannot access directly. Botanic Healthcare is a very good partner because they are innovating, they have patented ingredients, they have clinical studies, and their products and developments do exactly match the needs of the French market and the European customers.